Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today in the lab, I'm going to be doing a eye tutorial, just focus on the eyes, but this is the full-on look. And it's just a super easy spring, like smoky eye. I just wanted to play in some color today, so I played in this beautiful purple. This is the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette in Bling Boss. So yes, if you want to see how I got this look, give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. It definitely helps me out. And if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. All right, so I'm going to go in to this Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. I haven't used this in a while, and I just wanted to play in some like colors like this. I know we've been in the house and quarantining, but I definitely wanted to pull this out for Easter. But it is giving me like spring. You can use this palette to bring out some spring looks as well as some nighttime looks, but I just wanted to play in a palette I haven't used in a while. So the first color I'm going to go in with is called Hush Hush, which is this pink shade here. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. And this is going to set all the concealer that I've already placed on my eye, and also the foundation that I drug up to the eye as well. I usually set my eyes with my concealers, not an eyeshadow base, but comment down below if you use an eyeshadow base or if you use concealers. I use concealers since I'm already using it under my eye. I just drag it on the top with my sponge, so it just makes it easier than pulling out another product. Now, when I'm using like those bold, bright colors, sometimes I do use an eyeshadow base because it pulls those bright colors a bit brighter and bolder, like a bright hot pink or blue or yellow. You get the gist. So next I'm gonna go into, and I'm using my Morphe, no, this is my MAC 224 blending brush. I'm gonna go into Rockstar, which is like this purpley shade. I just feel like doing like a purpley look today. Let's see how this turns out. So I'm gonna put this purple here on the outer corner. First I'm gonna pack it on, just stamp it on to get it really, really intense, and then we'll blend it out. But I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you guys so much for watching my last upload. And I asked a couple of you guys, like, what are you guys doing during this social distancing? And I appreciate you guys sharing what you do and your working out routines. That's always a plus. Working on ourselves, our bodies are always fun to do, although it's not fun when you're probably in the moment. But the reward at the end is definitely what's exciting. Is like, I can't believe I did that type of deal. Some of you were sharing your snacks that you eat. I know I told you guys I've been trying to be healthy with eating some healthy stuff, but sometimes it's like, oh my goodness, let me just fry some chicken or let me just fry some fish. I love seafood, so I'm always like, gotta get something that's seafood related, even if it's not blue crab. Comment down below if you like seafood too. Seafood is my favorite. Fun fact, blue crabs in particular. So I'm just stamping this color on. I hope you guys are doing well and staying positive. So as you can see, I packed that color on to the max that I wanted it to go to, and now we're gonna blend that in. Using the same brush, I didn't add any more product. I'm now gonna drag it to the inner eye, but very, very lightly, because when this batch came out, when I used this palette a while back, these like dark purples in here, like this color that I'm using, Rockstar and Mystic, like you can pack it on like this and it's gorgeous. But when it comes to blending it out, for some reason it like takes the color away. I don't know if you guys can see it right here, but you have to kind of like finesse these shades and like blend them, add more color, blend them, and like not go too hard on the blend. But other than that, I do love this palette. These palettes are actually nice. She has a few different color schemes in them. So if you want to check those out, they are sold at Morphe store and Ulta. I know Ulta just recently had their sale, and Sephora's is starting. So I think I'm gonna put this video up after I do that Sephora one. So we shall see. So that's where we're gonna stop it there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do Ballsy, which is this shade here, and I'm gonna place that all over the lid. Just a simple eye look. but I will be sure to add in the swatches maybe on the screen here, or at the end of the video I'll show you guys the swatches of all these shades in case you don't have this palette in your collection and you want to see how they all swatch. And if you haven't noticed by now, I love a good old purple pinky look. I just feel like it really looks nice on the eye. And that is basically this eye. So I'm gonna get off this excess powder. This palette does have a little bit of fallout. I'm gonna add my false lashes and I'll be right back so that we can finish the face. All right, so I'm back with the lashes. I did the bottom lash line with the same colors, and in the inner corner, I went in with Bling Bling, which is this shade here. I also mixed in this Pizzazz on the bottom lash line as well. This lash is giving me some problems, but we're gonna move on and go into blush. I'm gonna use the Lancôme blush in the shade number 397 Midnight Rose. It looks like this. I just wanna add a little bit of pink to the face, so it won't look too much purpley. Now this blush is so pigmented, so you have to like be careful when you're putting this down because a lot will come off. Now I'm gonna mix it in with my MAC Lovejoy. This is the Mineralized Blush in the shade Lovejoy. And this is just gonna give it more of a sheen to it because that Lancôme one is matte. For highlighter, I'm gonna go into the MAC and Patrick Starr Hot and Heavy. It's actually a face powder, but I use it as a highlighter. But first I'm gonna spray my face with my e.l.f. And again, going back into this palette, I'm gonna do something that I never do, or hardly. I'm gonna go back into the Bling Bling shade that we use in the inner corner and just take a little bit of that and put it on my nose and up here, just to give it a little more pop. For lipstick, I'm going in with this MAC lipstick. It's a satin finish in the shade Spirit. On top of that, I'm gonna go in with the Patrick Starr and MAC in the lip gloss Mama Star, just in the center to give it a little bit of sheen. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy eyeshadow look using this one palette and only using what, 2 to 3 colors in this palette. And yes, so let me know down below what you guys think about this look. If you have this palette, put a purple heart in the comment section below. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.